Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting rumors in the tech world. Tesla, the company that revolutionized electric cars and is pushing the boundaries of space exploration, might be stepping into the smartphone game. We're talking about the rumored Tesla Model Pi. Now, this isn't just another smartphone. The whispers suggest this device will integrate directly with Tesla's entire ecosystem, from your car to the Starlink satellites orbiting Earth. If these rumors hold any water, the Model Pi could be the most revolutionary piece of tech we've seen in a decade. Let's take a look at what this futuristic phone might actually look like. Concept renders and leaks paint a picture of an incredibly sleek device, possibly with a body crafted from the same durable materials used in SpaceX rockets. And get this, some designs even feature a solar panel built right into the back. The display is rumored to be a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED screen boasting a full 4K resolution. Just imagine the crispness of your games, streams, and augmented reality apps on a screen like that. It's shaping up to be a true flagship in every sense of the word. Okay, so a cool design is one thing, but what really sets the Tesla Pi phone apart are its rumored features. First up, Starlink connectivity. Say goodbye to dead zones and spotty reception. This phone could connect directly to Starlink satellites, giving you high-speed internet access literally anywhere on the planet, from the top of a mountain to the middle of the ocean. Next, deep integration with Tesla vehicles. Imagine unlocking your car, preheating the cabin, or even using an advanced summon feature, all seamlessly from your phone. And remember that solar panel. The built-in solar charging could mean your phone is constantly topping up its battery whenever it's in the light. In the more distant future, there's even talk of Neuralink compatibility, potentially allowing the phone to interface with your brain. And for the crypto enthusiasts, it's rumored the Pi phone could mine a new cryptocurrency, possibly called Marscoin, turning your device into a passive income source. Now, what kind of power would a phone like this need? Under the hood, we can expect nothing less than a beast. Speculation points to a custom processor designed by Tesla itself, paired with up to a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage. The battery would have to be incredibly powerful to support all these features, and we'd expect it to last all day and then some. In terms of software, it would likely run on a custom Tesla OS. Think of it as a unique blend of Android's versatility with the clean, futuristic interface of Tesla's car software, creating a completely new user experience. So, the big question on everyone's mind: how much will it cost, and when can we get our hands on one? So, what do you think? Is the Tesla Pi phone the smartphone of the future? A game changer that will redefine what a phone can do? Or is it all just exciting hype that will never actually make it past the concept stage? I'd love to hear your opinion, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.